What's good, boy?
Good.
Yeah, I'm straight.
What you been on today?
Nothing, man. Just chilling. Took the vaccine today.
What? The vaccine?
Yeah,
but oh hell, you good to drive, bro?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh no, hell. Get the hell up out the car.
No, yeah, you straight, bro. You
No,
straight.
bro,
We
you
finna get
good.
some food to eat, man. We good.
I don't know what that
good.
vaccine got you. Vaccine. Yeah, this nigga took you.
Bro, come on, man. Chill out.
Come on. Bro, you not good to drive, bro.
We good, bro.
You cannot.
I'm gonna get you a PlayStation.
Excuse me. Could I maybe get that headset, please?
Do not raise your voice to me, sir.
I wasn't raising my voice.
Okay, just calm down.
I am calm. I just want my headset.
Sir, our country is going through a very difficult time right now, and if you're not going to cooperate...
I don't know where a headset ties into patriotism.
Is there a problem with this, sir?
I don't think so.
Can you come to the back of the plane with me so we can have a talk?
To talk about what? There's not a problem. This stewardess just keeps...
Flight attendant.
The flight attendant keeps ignoring me when I ask.
Calm down.
I am calm. What is it with you people?
You people.
Oh, now wait a minute. I don't mean you people. I mean you people.
Sir, I will not tolerate any racist behavior on the plane. This is a very difficult time for our country.
I know that. I'm not a racist. I just want to watch the movie.
I'm only going to say this one more time, sir. Calm down.
Oh, come on!
Would you like to sample our vegan bacon? 100% meatless.
Yes, please. Another, please.
Sir, is there a problem?
I'm just making sure no one ever has to eat this.
I don't think I can give you any more.
I want one.
Hey,
Well, leave the
not finished. We need one more slice.
Let's go.
No,
You
we
need to grill the burger, not boil it. So we need to keep the intensity to get that sear in there. How many times I told you we need to sear it, okay?
Can you just relax?
It's
You
a-
need to sear the burger. We don't broil it. How many times I fucking told you to do that? Huh?
I could stay here all day.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, the brush strokes and text.
Cannot touch the arch.
Oh,
I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
oh no!
I believe you.
Welcome to the Society of Uncompromising Men.